Hey guys, this is Sammy again, about to do another interactive concept video. What we have here is our salt and our vinegar solution. Here's our lab, cup of water, our measurements here, and this is our solution. 2 pennies, copper pennies, equally rusty. Zoom in. Alright, so as this is taking place, I'll talk through it. So let's start from the beginning. Pennies are made of copper and they rusted. That happens from a process called oxidation. And we learned in past chapters that oxidation is a process of losing electrons. Here's our symbol. Rusty pennies, they lose an electron. Oxidation is lost. OIL. RIG. Reduction is gained. We'll get to see that in just a moment. But let's go back to the oxidation process. So, the pennies are rusted because the atmospheric air, we'll call it oxygen, because we are oxidizing an electron from the copper penny. So it starts rusting. What we have in the salt and vinegar solution is acetic acid and sodium chloride. So the acetic acid in the vinegar combines with the salt to actually form sodium acetate and hydrogen chloride. As we see, our pennies are still cleaning up. So we get sodium acetate and hydrogen chloride, right? So we talked about the air, the oxygen in the air oxidizing the copper, causing it to rust. So we are going to do the reverse of that. Pardon my camera angle. We're doing the reverse of that. What is the reverse of that? I'll take us right back to this here. Reduction is gaining an electron, right? Equals clean pennies. Woohoo! They're getting cleaner, and I'll post at the end a before and after photo. So the pennies are getting cleaner, especially the one on the left. Pretty cool. So, going back, what I think is happening right now. So we put the pennies into the cleaning solution, and like I said, the opposite reaction of oxidation is occurring, and that would be reduction. We said reduction, or a redox reaction, is one where electrons are gained. So the effect is cleaner pennies, right? As you see here. Spelled out here. Get a good look at those. And pretty much that is it. Let's do the second part of it. We'll put those actually in the water, is how the video did it, and it'll stop the redox reaction from continuing. Then it said we can put, here's the quarters. I didn't have bolts, So we've got quarters. Let's put those in and see if we can get the rust from the copper to show up on the quarters. I'm not seeing it. Not yet, at least. There, it looks like it might be changing. Maybe not. Anyway, there you have it. We had cleaning solution. We had measurements. We had our pennies. And we had a good showing of oxidation and redox reactions in living color.